Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make your dial-up connections internet speed faster. Now you have to go to control panel, network and internet, network and settings center, and go to adapter settings. Now you have to right click on the network type that you're using. I'm using mobile broadband connection. Right click and go to properties. Now you'll see a window pop up here. Click on internet protocol version 4 TCP IP version. Click on it and click on properties. A window will pop up here. Now you have to change these settings. This one I have already done it to these numbers. It will be in the description. Change it and click OK. Close and close. And that's it. Please comment, rate and subscribe.